Hi, welcome to this quick edit colours in Illustrator tutorial. Nothing fancy going on here really, it's just a quick example of the type of thing you would expect to cover on one of the courses that we run. So what I'm going to do here is show you the edit colours feature which is found in Illustrator, and to do that I'm going to recolour this dog rose. I think it's a dog rose anyway. Over here on the left hand side, here is our original, and here are a couple of variations on the original that you see here. So first and foremost I'm going to select, and then I'm going to pop up to the edit menu, edit colours and recolor artwork. The recolor artwork box pops up, and we're going to move that just over here out of the way just temporarily, and we'll have a look at what's going on in the box itself. These are the prominent colours. These are all the colours that are collected within this particular image. So as we see here, we have the pink here. You'll also notice that if I've got this unlinked box, I can now select one or multiple colours. At the moment they're unlinked. So this increases or decreases the amount of pink within my document. At this moment I'm increasing it. We give it a minute and you'll see that straight away everything has changed. We've got the undo button pop up here, top left, and undo our changes, and that takes us back to where we were. Again, if I go to the green, I can decrease the green. God knows why I'd want to do that, but I can. And again, we can shoot that across and increase the browns and drop the greens. And again, undo. We have a number of different options. We've got our colour library feature here. So I'm going to pop along to the colour library and I'm going to click on the drop down. But before I do that, I'm going to actually reset this to the original. So click on reset and pop on the drop down, and we'll pop down and you can see we've got all our normal suspects there, Pantones. And I'm going to go for my art history. And I think I'm going to choose Baroque. I do kind of know what I want from this because I like this one. So again, you'll see we've got it here bottom left. I'm cheating a little bit, but never mind. So here again, I can drop this colouring. I always forget to click this box, you know. So again, we'll go down here and we'll see what's going on. And again, you can see that we're changing and increasing the colour. I can of course pop up here and I can select any one of these nodes, drag that out and bring it to select a colour. So again, and again, we can increase the brightness or the contrast and drop it down. And if we don't like it, really straightforward, back to the reset button. We have another very useful tool here as well. This is called the Colour Theme Picker. And over here on my document, you'll see that I've already got an image. So what I want to do is I want to use the colour theme in here to pick up some of these blues because I kind of like these blues. So again, we go back, edit colours. Sorry, need to be clicked onto the flower, edit colours, recolor artwork, and this time we're going to select colour theme picker, and I'm going to do a quick draw around and pick up the blues. Give it a minute to think about it. This does tend to slow this computer down quite a bit. Here we go, and you see it brings in all the prominent colours. So again, you've got a choice. Reset, back to colour theme. This time I'm going to say I actually really just want to get all those turquoises, blues and greens in. Select. Again, give it a moment. And that's a much better colour. I'm going to say I'm happy with that. And there you go. There are your edit colours in Illustrator.